Apple iPad Air 13-inch M2, 128GB Starlight, sold by Amazon.com. Introducing the Apple iPad Air 13-inch, featuring the powerful M2 chip and a stunning liquid retina display. Experience vibrant colors and ultra-low reflectivity with the advanced P3 wide color and True Tone technology. Multitask effortlessly with the M2 chip, perfect for powerful apps and graphics-intensive games. Enjoy all-day battery life, keeping you productive and entertained wherever you go. Choose up to 1 TB of storage for all your apps, music, movies, and more. iPadOS enhances productivity with features like Scribble, Stage Manager, and support for multiple apps. Apple Pencil Pro turns your iPad Air into an immersive drawing canvas and note-taking device. The Magic Keyboard offers a great typing experience and doubles as a protective cover. Capture stunning photos and 4K videos with the 12-megapixel wide-back camera. The 12-megapixel ultra-wide front camera supports center stage for video calls and selfies. Enjoy fast wireless connections with Wi-Fi 6E and quick transfers of large files. Connect to external displays and more with the versatile USB-C connector. Unlock your iPad Air securely with Touch ID built into the top button. Make secure payments with Apple Pay using your fingerprint. iPad Air comes with essential apps like Safari, Messages, and Keynote. Discover over 1 million more apps available on the App Store. This summary highlights the main features of the Apple iPad Air 13-inch. Rated 4.7 stars, order today for $769.99.